Now I want to begin with very interesting topic which is related to our previous chapter, that is of class 10th, which we study arithmetic progressions. Here with arithmetic progression we will study geometric progression also. So the arithmetic, geometric and harmonic and some special progressions are to be studied in the chapter named as sequences and series. There are three things: sequence, progression and series. For sequence, if we ask the students to stand in a line or to arrange the number in ascending or descending order, if something is arranged randomly, that is the sequence. That is, if it is not necessary to make them formulate, that is the sequence. So first thing to understand here, that what is the sequence. Sequence is arranging the numbers, arranging the terms, that is the sequence. So arranging the terms with some specification is known as the sequence. But if this specification of arrangement makes some formula, develop some result, with the help of that we are able to identify few more terms or few terms may be missing, that is known as the progression. So progression is arranging the numbers, the terms, the expressions with some specific result, with some specific formula. If the terms can be formulate, the question is, if the terms can be formulate, that is known as the progression. And the third thing, that is what series. If we talk about the series, it's again very simple. If all the terms of any progression, A1, A2, A3 and so on, if these terms have been added, so the sum up of the terms of progression is known as the series. Introductorily, I want to explain you that if few numbers, few terms, few polynomials are arranged randomly, that is the sequence. If that random arrangement of elements or terms can be formulated, that sequence is known as progression. And if all the terms of any progression are sum up, that is known as the series. So we will study sequence and series in this chapter, where in class 9th, in class 10th, we have studied about the arithmetic progression, but we will extend here for geometric progression and some special sequences also.